Like I said, since I came back from Thailand, the Lord has been faithful. I've achieved a lot. I want to promise you that you're not going to stop. Once you're with me, I'll take care of it.
Maybe Kevin with that. Kevin!
Funny! Kevin! Funny!
Hey! 50 years not been so.
You don't reach.
Sorry. Not 36.
So how you drive, bro?
Omo. It's a long story. The other day, I was almost crushed by a trailer. Yesterday, come pray for block money. It remains more when they stone me to death. Kevin, let me get this one.
Sure, this is one of my cars. Yeah.
Kevin money! Kevin, not now. Give me update now. Listen, I will start this thing now.
It is smoky, boo.
You know, say it's my guy. I'll give you the update. There's this current update called Big Baba.
Run.
Anything you tell your customer, that's what your customer will give you. And he or she will agree to that.
Is it more work?
Sure.
Sure.
Can you believe it was my last customer that gave me his car? That worth over 3 point something.
Baba, well done, no.
Well done.
Baba, I have been trying to fix a date so that I can come and.
Young man, it will cost you 1 million naira.
But Baba,
are you trying to doubt the gods?
Okay, Baba, fine. Since the gods already know my problem, and I believe they will hear my cry, let me transfer the money. Can I have the number?
2166 77
Rich boys and cup of tea.
2023.
I've done the transfer.
So quick. You guys said this to the house of the people now.
Baba, what's there? I trade all my gift cards with JTech Trade, and they are the most reliable trading platform. Just visit their website at www.jtechtrade.com, or you follow them on their social media platforms.
Are you serious? So you are the one cutting all my jobs? Hey! Blood. That thing where you sabi, I sabi am 400 times. I've killed 18 of you! So you are the only one remaining! You follow for the gang? Take Baba. Now yesterday my friend introduced me.
What it be this? What it be this? My head they go inside this place. This guy be giving me
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
Master, please.
Master, thou is blind. Thou hast called thee to save thou. Please, Master.
How thou think no say na master dey pass?
Master.
Abi thou art whining thee?
No, Master. Maybe thou used the mindset.
Maybe thou use that mindset.
Yes, Master.
Comfort for thy healing. Honor they see. Thou know they stay my clothes. Thou comot thy hand from my clothes.
Master.
Go ye and see.
I can see! I can see! Master! Sorry, Master.
Open the key down. Open the key down. That one blind my eye. Run it! Not stay my clothes, Joe.
Sorry, Master.
When I see as thou healest thou come one blind thou eye. Go forget that the Lord and personal. Me, I go train her for you. I don't know. This is my body, and this is my blood. Do this in remembrance of me.
Thank you, Master.
If na your body they chop like that, you go like am. See what's in this I cut for my body. No, like I'm good. See what you cut for my body. Look, just take a look at my body. No, take a look. You've cut the middle of my body. See what you cut for. Look am. Look, you know chop for us. When the doctor say this is my body, you know they here.
For us.
See what you cut. If your body they cut like that, you go like am. No, like if you chop this body now, which body this person go chop? You go like am with the clothes. Just thank your God, now maybe the Lord and personal Savior. If not, without go use your eyes see.
Master.
Have my body. Peter, you see this guy. So that as he collect all my body now, which body I will come get again? Give me that body, no go no kill. Give me that body.
Manager talk. Yes, boss. I'm really passing through a lot. Anybody that can heal my daughter, I'm ready to give the person the sum of 50 million naira plus a brand new car. I'm even ready to give her my daughter to the person to marry for free.
Hey!
Praise God. Let's go. Go here. Now, young man, listen. The Lord has answered your prayers. But, like, speak not.
Hey!
Even the Bible says, obedience is better than sacrifice. Oh,
This man!
let's go. Okay.
Funny You went to Hey!
God have mercy upon us.
Hey!
Let's go. Okay.
Charlie boy say I'm moved on to Charlie boy now I'm moved I too much. To be mumu. You think say they wise? This man. He is smoky boy.
Are you guys done taking the pastors out? Yes, sir. Okay, release her. Okay, sir.
Chijoke. Hey!
Child!
Chijoke.
Chineke! So now God voice why you won't use fight lion.
Hey! This man!
Pastor, the 50 million and the car is down.
You be mumu. God have mercy. Hey!
Very shameful for you to accept that. Oh no. You go 1.2, you go 1.5.
Today is difficult. Tomorrow is much more difficult. The day after tomorrow is beautiful. Most people die tomorrow evening.
My son is done. Take this knife, stretch forth your hand, and cut it. Nothing will happen. You are an immortal. But I leave my hand for me.
Make I check what you do now. Man, know if you go work for your own hand.
Now me define mortality. Not be you.
So, Baba, what is the try talk now? This thing what you do now, you work and you no work.
I saw you already know the answer now. In fact, man, give you your money back. You don't catch me.
Hear me, yeah?
Don't tire.
Make I just buy beans this morning.
Make a bomb.
Before I sentence him to 15 years imprisonment, what do you have to say?
My lord, before I sentence my client to 15 years imprisonment, I somehow let you know sir, I'll be your house address. You dey stay for number 21 and get the stream and one deal. Your wife, they stay for Joba Market. Your first son, they attend Royal International School. Your second pikin, they attend Diamond International School. Your uncle, they stay for Zoba by Rumokani. My lord, no forget I know Chidimao, your side chick.
My lord, this is a direct threat to you, and this honorable court cannot accept it.
My lord, no be threat to. I know Chidima, your wife no know Chidima.
So you know Chidima?
I know Chidima, and my landlord picking.
Hey!
Counsel, this case is dismissed.
Supreme Court.
Don't finish.
Master, calm down now. Maka go pay. Forgot that what is yours is mine, and what is mine is yours. Eh?
Maga go pay.
Yahoo go show you that.
My food with that slumber.
Master, now Shiva, don't tell you say me calm down. Like, Maga go pay. Maga pay. I go pay for me class. God no say Maga go pay. Go pay. And I go pay down. Cash out. Only Maga.
But what happened?
Maga don't pay.
Nah lie.
$500,000.
Maga. Guy, we are rich.
Who is we?
Papa, me and you, we go ball. We go DNA, bro.
Nasty, you never answer my question. Who be we?
Me and you now.
Nasty, I am rich, not we.
Remember, you said what is yours is mine and what is mine is yours.
Hey, yeah. Lamba.
These doors, man, bring bro.
Here is your vest.
Jesus!
You're welcome. Our goal here is to eradicate financial crime. So what is your mission?
BTC dey body, money dey body. All this almost West para dey body. BTC.
Hola. You are going to smoke your Igbo again.
Mommy, I did not smoke any Igbo. I did not smoke any Igbo.
You did not smoke any Igbo?
I did not smoke any Igbo. I did not smoke any Igbo.
Tell the time.
Mommy, I said I did not smoke any Igbo.
I said tell the time.
I did not smoke Igbo. I did not smoke Igbo.
I said you should tell the time.
Yes, no, I did not smoke.
It's mon best son here. Kilo share lori.
Sorry.
Tell the time.
I'll get it now. So sorry. I did not smoke Igbo. Let me tell Mopsy now. I did not smoke Igbo.
Rat poison. For stubborn rats. Rat poison. My man, customer.
I swear, I don't find una since so.
You
get rat poison?
Yes, na be this.
This one will be in liquid form. I never see this type before.
Now this one they keep us now.
How do they use them now?
In the morning, you catch your rat.
My rat?
Yes, your rat. You give her 2 spoons. You leave the rat. You go catch them in the evening again. Give them another 2 spoons. You leave them. Then in the morning, if the rat no die, you catch them again. Use your hand, kill them. You go know say that rat na winch.
Wow. If I feel use my hand catch the rat, kill him. What's now they use this thing do again?
Because it dey work.
Okay, come on here.
Okay, no vex. I get the one where they kiss snake. Oh. Yeah. If they kiss snake, you go just catch the snake in the morning. Give am 2.
One for here.
But this man tell me say he use and kiss snake and he walk.
Man, catch you here again. Cinnamon, come see snake, come catch and give him 2 spoons.
My own na to sell, your own na to catch and give him 2 spoons.
Hello, mommy. You want to remarry care?
Your daddy is no more fine.
My daddy is no more fine. You don't want?
That's my house.
That's your house. Let me pack. Mommy, give me a minute, mommy.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Wait now. Why don't you want to be my girlfriend?
It's because I'm not the relationship type. But I like you.
See, I like you too. See, I like you more than my mommy. I'm a piano. Go and call your husband, Joe. I'm sorry.
Well, you know you're a Christian.
Yes, I'm a Christian.
So I don't know if you like friends with benefit.
Hey, I like it. I like benefit. I like it.
But I thought you just gave your life to Christ recently.
That's for refund. I say I'm not doing it. I want to give my life to you. Take my life.
Yes. So I'll see you this evening.
This evening. Benefit of start now. You're a sinner. That's very nice. Your kiss is sweet. I'll give you plenty benefits in the evening.
You're a bad guy.
Benefit boy. I like this guy. Jesus, I beg you, no best. No best. These benefits could make sense. Hello?
I'm at your house, but you're not home. Should I leave?
Don't leave. The keys under the mat. I'm coming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Benefits.
Jesus!
Where's my chair? My AC. Oh my. Where's this? Thank you for the furniture benefit. I love you, my benefactor. Who be your benefactor? Hello, Kante. What be this? What be this? Congrats, you don't renovate. You renovate? Who they renovate? They don't run me. They come. You see my chair, Abi? Nice interior design.
Thank you.
Thank you, but are you crazy? Return my chair, Joe. You still see my picture frame. Do you have low self-esteem? Can't they call the boys? Let them come and carry my stuff, Joe.
But I thought we were doing friends with benefits.
Friends with benefit. Now I use my chair, do benefits. May God punish you. Call the boys. Let them move my stuff.
Okay. Wait. I know the benefits you want, Daddy.
Now you are talking. Can't they don't worry? I will dash her the chair. No, we'll carry him. Now your chair.
Wait. Before we go on, what's your blood group?
I'm B+.
Really?
I thought you are compatible.
Wait.
Off your pint.
You're compatible with my brother.
Is it threesome?
Bring him.
What be this? Hey! This one is not my type, oh.
This is my brother. He is also B+, and he needs kidney transplants.
The Lord will provide, though.
Donate your kidney as benefits now.
You don't want? I just remember, I'm not B+, I'm B-. This way is B+. No, I'm A1. A1, come. You're supposed to be F9 now. I'm B+, so I said to go. Oh my Jesus. Left kidney or right kidney? Benefit boys, mark me now. Ah, are you kidding me? You go die today.
Hello, porcritudinous and glamorous damosel. Wow, you see your beauty is husky, honky, mega whacking and gagatwan. And my modus operandi and modus vivendi is to shower you with chubby, fopsy and pudgy love.
Thank you.
Okay. You see, you look so roly-poly and zaftig. I am gongo, hot to trot and psyched up to shower all my spondylics and wonga on you because you're so beautiful. I want to take you around the world because money is not an object when it comes to the professor.
Thank you.
Okay. Wow, I like beautiful girls like you. You see, I want to take you around the world, you know, on tour. I want us to have fun. I don't know if you're free. Let me just, you know, take you around the city and squander some money on you.
Wow. That's so lovely, Prof. I like you already. Don't worry. I like to have fun with you. Okay. I have so much money. This is my car, and that's my driver. Let's go have some fun. Bills on me.
Wow, really?
Just hop in. Hop in?
Bills on you. Let's go. Do I have job? It's nice.
Jesus.
So after 2 years, we finally got you.
Jay! Oh, Barrister Titus. Now you be this. You don't dey owe for 2 years. Now so they do mago. We don't finally catch you.
Ah, God. Now why people?
Gaga to angaga.
I got the advice from a madman.
What's that?
Just one video, come on watch.
Babe, come on, let me see.
Just stand up and come and watch.
Please.
What's happened?
Now just one video.
Come show me now.
Okay, come watch it yourself, guy.
You said you want me. Come show me now.
Okay.
Papa, what did you watch? Now what comedy video like that? I make I see now. Come watch it yourself. You just said they wash clothes. I'm big now. And they come. What did this?
Why they laugh?
Now one video, now one video where they watch.
Bring them now, watch.
Come here yourself, come watch them.
No, I just busy. I do on my knees.
Okay, they come.
Come here, man. No! What did they want?
So now one funny video like that.
It's still funny. Bring them out see now.
Come watch it yourself.
Bring them now, beg now. They're busy now.
Come. Mercy. Guys, Baba God.
Wait.
No, now one video where funny like that. Okay, they come. Babe!
Yeah?
I want to go and meet my God. I'll be back soon.
B!
Don't worry, you went to show God a comedy video. You'll be back soon.
Sensational. Somebody come meet me, I'll be Jesus. I don't watch video before you watch and say.
If not Jesus with this, who you can't go meet? That's blood of Jesus.
Who am I?
That's blood of Jesus.
Satan. I need to meet Baba God's boy.
Show me what you show all of them.